Welcome to our guide on how to pin a chat on Instagram, a feature that makes it easier to keep your most important conversations right at the top of your message list. This way, you won't have to scroll endlessly to find what matters most. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from your app store. Once you're in the app, you'll find yourself on the main feed. Next, look for the messages icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a paper airplane. Tap on it to access your direct messages DMS. Here, you'll see a list of all your chats with friends and followers. Now, it's time to find the chat you want to pin. Scroll through your messages until you locate the conversation that's important to you. This could be a chat with a close friend or a group discussion that you frequently refer back to. Once you've found the chat, click and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options. Depending on whether you're using an iOS or Android device, the interface might look slightly different, but the functionality remains the same. From this menu, choose Pin. After selecting this option, you'll notice that your chosen chat is now pinned at the top of your DMs with a small pin icon next to it. This means it will stay there for easy access every time you open Instagram. If at any point you decide that you no longer need a chat pinned, unpinning it is just as simple. Just click and hold on the pinned chat again and select Unpin from the menu. The conversation will then return to its original position in your message list. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a chat in Instagram, making it easier than ever to keep track of important conversations while enjoying all that Instagram has to offer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.